Okay, I'll give you some more. I'll give you more bugs. Hello. You doing all right? All right. So you don't really have a name. Let me cut you up some more bugs. I'll have to go catch some more. I think you're going to be just fine. I'm pretty little. Alright, maybe we'll name you... I don't know. Doesn't matter, does it? Feeling a little better? Perking up a little bit? You're pretty dehydrated. Sitting out in that parking lot. Okay. Come on. That's a good little bird. Say hi to the camera. Say hello. Stand on my hand. That's okay. Here you go. There you go. How are you? Say hello. Say hello. We make little peeping sounds. Okay. I'll turn this off now. If I can.